Control Alt Delete Mac, how to control plus Alt plus Delete on Mac. Force Quit app on Mac. On a Mac, there's no direct equivalent to the Windows Control plus Alt plus Delete shortcut, but there are several ways to accomplish similar tasks, like force quitting apps or accessing Activity Monitor. 1. Force quit an application, press Command plus Option plus Escape to open the Force Quit Applications window. Select the unresponsive app you want to close and click Force Quit. 2. Access Activity Monitor, open Spotlight by pressing Command plus Space. Type Activity Monitor and press Enter. Activity Monitor allows you to view and manage system processes, similar to the Task Manager in Windows. 3. Log out, restart, or shut down, press Ctrl plus Command plus Power to restart your Mac. Press Ctrl plus Command plus Eject, if your Mac has an eject button, to restart, shut down, or log out, depending on your needs. These shortcuts offer similar functionality for handling unresponsive apps and monitoring performance on Mac OS.